Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Please make sure that you subscribe, like and share. If you are interested in formulation, please check the link in the description below. We do sell formulation. Our company is Off-Grid Production. We deal with the research and production and formulation of different products. We have ebooks for acrylic emulsion formulation, for adhesive formulation. We also have PVC and paints and coatings formulation. So in this video I'm going to be talking about acrylic emulsion. Well, acrylic emulsion, or the binder as some people prefer to call it, is a very predominantly used product in the industry. It's used in cosmetics, it's used in paints and coatings, it's used for adhesives, it's used for textiles, it's used for printing inks, it's used for so many purposes. So a lot of people have been inquiring, and we've received so many sales of this book, and people are now trying to develop and produce acrylic emulsion by themselves. But throughout the journey of selling books, I have encountered so many people not being familiar with the chemical structure. Yes, I have encountered people not being familiar with the chemical structure of the acrylic emulsion, the production process, the production equipment of the acrylic emulsion. So I'm gonna start with the chemical structure of acrylic emulsion. Molecular formula, I'm gonna insert it here. This is how it looks like. It's simple organic chemistry, and it is produced through polymerization process. The equipment is not a general mixer that is used for coatings. Most people want to produce acrylic emulsion using the same equipment they use to produce paints and coatings, and I just want to say it's not gonna work, it's not gonna happen, because this product is produced through polymerization, which means there is some sort of heating that is needed. You need to heat when you boil the monomers, and then turn on the heat and continue to add additives until it polymerizes and thickens and become a finished product. If you are interested in knowing more about the process, you need to purchase an ebook, but I want to show you guys the type of equipment that is used to produce acrylic emulsion. So I'm just gonna put it on the screen. You screen grab it and try to source it. If you don't know where to source it, I think I'll leave information on the description box. Source it and know the type of equipment that is needed to produce this type of product. So I'm gonna talk about the typical acrylic emulsion technical data sheet. So I'm gonna insert it here. So this is the technical data sheet of an acrylic emulsion that is used for paints and coatings, the general exterior and interior coatings for walls that are used in construction, architecture. So this is the type of acrylic emulsion that you need, and this acrylic emulsion goes on to be used with other additives to produce paint. This is the typical paint or coating formula. This is the typical paint or formula. This is the additives that you use. Acrylic emulsion is combined with thickener, dispersant, deformer, and other additives are both combined, mixed at a given speed in a mixer, and eventually it thickens out and become a coating or a paint, as some people prefer to call it. And that is that. As far as storage goes, this product can be stored in bottles. Room temperature does fine, and it normally has a warranty of 2 years. It can stay for 2 years without being used, and then after 2 years, then it's just a different story. It really depends on the factory and the supplier where you're buying from, the type of preservative that they use when they produce it. So you need to request these materials when you're purchasing the technical data sheet, the MSDS, so that you can see the chemical composition of the product, its storage duration, shelf life, or whatever the case may be. So if you want to learn more about acrylic emulsion, molecular formula, production equipment, even a lab layout, I'm gonna insert a PDF on my description box. You can go ahead and download it and learn more about this product. If you're interested in getting the formulation, you can go through our website and see the book that we have that is tailored and custom made for people who want to produce acrylic emulsion by themselves. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I am so happy that you reached this bit of the video. Please subscribe, share and comment.